Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello friends. Today we will learn about the tools which are used by the farmers in their farms. To do that, let us visit a farm with Monami.
Here comes Farmer Mac in his tractor. Hello Farmer Mac. Me and my friends wanted to learn about the tools which you use in the farm.
Hello children, I am Farmer Mac. Let me show you my farming equipment one by one. This is a hand cultivator. We use this tool for digging and breaking up the soil. It is also helpful to loosen the soil and remove weeds. This is a rake. A rake is a gardening or landscaping tool. With a rake, I keep my farm tidy. Raking leaves will allow my farm or garden to develop a green and healthy look. During the fall, leaves must be raked. It can also be used for scooping, scraping, or gathering soil, mulch, or leaves. This is a digging hoe. A digging hoe is used for digging the soil before seeding and plantation. This is a shovel. A shovel is a multi-purpose tool used for digging, lifting, and moving bulk materials such as soil, gravel, sand, and snow. It also helps making shallow trenches. Pruning shears. It is a garden tool that is used for cutting off the branches of trees, shrubs, and bushes. It is a type of scissors. This is a sickle. Sickle is one of the most common hand tools used for harvesting of the crops, grass, and cutting off other vegetative matter. This is a garden fork. It is also called a digging fork. It is a tool for digging. It is used for loosening soil in gardening and farming. This is a wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow is a small open cart with one wheel at the front and two handles at the rear. It is used for carrying things. This is one of my favorites, a watering can. A watering can is used for watering plants. Now let me show you some personal protective equipment which are necessary before going for farming. This is an apron. It protects the front of our body against spills and other plant irritants. Safety boots. It protects our feet and keeps us safe when working in a farm. Gloves. It protects and shields our hands from slips, cuts, injury and exposure to chemicals. A farmer's hat. Our hat protects us from the sun and other hazards. A hose. A hose is a long flexible pipe made of rubber or plastic. It carries water and is used to water a lawn, garden or a farm.
Thank you, Farmer Mac.
Thank you, children, for learning with Monami. See you in our next episode. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, and keep smiling.
And do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Bye, friends.
Bye, children.